So first things first, shout out to MyFirstWig for sponsoring this video and sending me this wig to use. This wig is the perfect wig for trying something glueless. The lace is super thin and transparent. The length was 20 inches and the texture is Yaki, so it looks very natural. Initially, I had on a stocking cap, as you can see in the video, but I ended up taking it off because you just do not need one with this wig. And this wig came ready to go. It was pre-plucked and it was already bleached. So I did not have to do anything except spray a little lace tint on the lace so that it matched better with my skin tone. So these styles are simple and should be very easy for a beginner to try, but y'all can let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Of course, I'll put all the information and description about this wig down below, and I hope y'all enjoy the video.
got on